It's learning time! Today we're learning about number 5. Here is number 5. Can you say it? Number 5. Let's say it one more time. Number 5. Well done. Count with me to make the number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here are 5 blocks. Now let's see the other ways that 5 can be represented. We have 5 fingers. Here is 5 on a 5 frame. And here is 5 on a 10 frame. We have 5 on a die. And here is 5 on a number line. We have 5 on a domino. Here is 5 on a unicorn. Here is 5 in word. Well done identifying number 5 in different ways. Now let's practice writing the number 5. So you start from a point, take it down to make a stroke, a curve to the front, back to the top, and then you make a dash. So to write the number 5, you need a stroke down, a curve to the front, and a dash on top. Good job! Let's see if you can identify number 5 in this picture. Can you see number 5? We have 5 on the door. Another number 5 on the road. And number 5 on the roof. Well done! Keep practicing to identify number 5 in different ways. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.